Ever hear a thud on your window and instantly feel bad? Birds can't see glass, and millions are injured every year. That's why there's PESTEZE UV Reflective Bird Anti-Collision Window Decals. These decals use UV reflective technology birds can see, so they avoid your windows. They cling with static, not adhesive. No residue, no mess. They're weather-resistant, reusable, and safe for any glass surface. You get 16 decorative bird silhouettes, giving you flexible coverage. Just clean, place, and reposition anytime. They're non-toxic, eco-friendly, and designed to protect wildlife humanely. To protect the lives of birds, head to pesteze.com and purchase the UV Reflective Bird Anti-Collision Window Decals.